Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the life of one of Taiwan's most iconic star, Barbie Chu aka Big S, from the legendary role of Sanchai in Meteor Garden to her impact as an actress, singer, and television host. Barbie captured the hearts of millions across Asia, but her story goes beyond fame. We'll explore her journey through love, challenges, and personal growth, and her unwavering influence on pop culture. Whether you've been a fan since the early 2000s or you're just discovering her now, stick around as we take a closer look at the unforgettable legacy of Barbie Chu. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. Barbie Chu, born on October 6, 1976 in Taipei, Taiwan, was the middle child of three sisters. Her father, Chu Shen, and mother, Wang Chun-mei, owned a family-run jewelry shop founded by her paternal grandfather. Chu was raised in a supportive family environment alongside her elder sister, Xu Xishen, and younger sister, Di Chu, who would also go on to become a prominent television personality. Lumaki sa Taipei, nagkaroon ng maagang interes si Chu sa mga sining ng pagtatanghal at ang hilig na ito ay humantong sa kanya sa industriya ng entertainment. In 1994, Barbie and her sister Dee formed a popular pop duo, SOS. Their debut song, 10-Minute Love, became a hit in 1995, and the pair quickly became well-known in Taiwan's music scene. However, after a series of contractual disputes with their agency, the duo had to change their name to ASOS and shift their focus towards hosting rather than music. Gumawa ng pangalan ang magkapatid na Chu bilang mga co-host sa maraming sikat na programa sa telebisyon, kabilang ang variety show na Guest from 1996 until 2000, ang entertainment news program na 100% Entertainment from 1998 to 2005, and the cooking show Gourmet Secrets of the Stars from 2007 to 2008. Nakatulong ang mga palabas na ito na patatagin ang reputasyon ni Barbie bilang isang mahusay na host sa telebisyon at entertainer. Barbie's breakout role came in 2001 with the hit drama series Meteor Garden, where she starred as the female lead Sanchai opposite the members of the boy band F4. The series, based on the Japanese manga Boys Over Flowers, became a massive success across Asia, earning Barbie pan-Asian fame. It was particularly popular in countries such as Indonesia, the Philippines, and Thailand, where the show was dubbed in local languages. Kasunod ng Meteor Garden, lumabas si Barbie sa ilang iba pang matagumpay na serye sa telebisyon, kabilang ang Mars in 2004, Corner with Love in 2007, at Summer's Desire in 2010. Gumawa rin siya ng marka sa industriya ng pelikula na nagbida sa mga pelikulang tulad ng Silk in 2006, My So-Called Love in 2008, at Reign of Assassins in 2010. In addition to her acting career, Barbie became a best-selling author with the publication of her beauty guide Beauty Queen in 2004. The book was followed by a sequel in 2007, both of which became popular across the Chinese-speaking world. Barbie also became one of the first celebrities to experiment with eyebrow-enhancing products, such as the hair loss treatment Regain, which added to her image as beauty icon. Barbie was an advocate for animal rights and actively supported people for the ethical treatment of animals. Her public support of animal welfare further solidified her status as a role model for many. Barbie's personal life often made headlines, beginning with her teenage relationship with Blackie Chen, which lasted for 7 years. She later dated Koo Jun-yap, a South Korean singer from late 1998 to 2000, before they break up due to pressure from his agency. In the early 2000s, Barbie was in high-profile relationship with actors Lan Cheng-long and Vic Chu. Noong 2011, pinakasalan ni Barbie ang Chinese entrepreneur na si Wang Xiaofei. Nagkaroon sila ng 2 anak, isang babae at isang lalaki. Gayunpaman, ang kanilang relasyon ay nahaharap sa kaguluhan at sila ay naghiwalay noong 2021 pagkatapos ng isang pampublikong pagbagsak na kasama ang mga akusasyon ng pagtataksil at mga pagkakaiba sa politika. Pagkatapos ng diborsyo, muling binuhay ni Xiu ang kanyang pagmamahalan kay Koo Jun-yap at ikinasal ang mag-asawa noong March of 2022. Barbie was also involved in a legal battle with her ex-husband Wang Xiaofei over the division of marital assets. She took legal action to enforce a spousal maintenance agreement, which led to a public exchange of accusations. Barbie Chu was known to suffer from epilepsy and mitral valve prolapse, conditions that required medical attention throughout her life. She had been hospitalized on multiple occasions for seizures, including a near-fatal incident during the birth of her son. In January 2025, Barbie traveled to Japan for the Chinese New Year holidays but contracted influenza. Despite efforts to recover, she passed away on February 2, 2025 at the age of 48 due to complications from pneumonia. Her death was met with an outpouring of grief from fans and colleagues alike who remembered her as an iconic figure in Taiwanese entertainment. Barbie Chu's career spanned over 3 decades, and her influence was felt across television, film, music, and beyond. She was a trailblazer for women in the Asian entertainment industry and a beloved public figure. Her roles in Meteor Garden and other popular dramas ensured her place in the hearts of millions of fans across the world. Her personal journey, marked by her creative achievements, public life, and the challenges she faced in her personal relationships, made her a complex and inspiring figure. Barbie Chu's legacy will continue to live on through her body of work and the impact she made in the entertainment industry. Barbie Chu's death marked the end of an era for fans of Taiwanese and Asian entertainment, but her impact will undoubtedly live on. Thank you very much for watching. And according to Lewis Carroll, one of the deep secrets of life is that all that is really worth doing is what we do for others. Special thanks to my source from Google, en.wikipedia.org, photo credits to e.vnexpress.net, and inspirational quote credits to today.com.